Daily conversation at home. Narration script. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore something very simple, yet very important in our daily lives, daily conversations at home. Home is not just a place where we live. It is where we connect, share, understand, and grow together. And the foundation of all these things is communication. Let us begin our journey through a typical day at home and see how conversations shape our relationships. Home morning conversations. A new day begins with fresh energy and positive vibes. Morning conversations at home are usually calm, gentle, and full of warmth. We often start with greetings like, "Good morning. Did you sleep well? What would you like for breakfast?" These small sentences may seem ordinary, but they help create a positive environment. A simple good morning can make someone feel noticed and cared for. Parents may ask children about their plans for school. Children may ask questions or share their excitement for the day. Spouses may discuss daily schedules. For example, "I have an important meeting today. You'll be back late in the evening. Don't forget to take your lunch." After morning conversations are usually about planning the day and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Breakfast time conversations. Breakfast is one of the best times for family bonding. Everyone gathers at one place, and conversations naturally flow. Topics during breakfast may include daily news, school or office updates, weather plans for the day. For example, "Did you hear the news today? It looks like it might rain. I have a test today. I'm a bit nervous." This is also a time when parents can motivate their children. "Do your best. Stay confident. Have a great day." Even simple encouragement can boost someone's mood for the entire day. Before leaving home. Before stepping out, conversations become more practical and quick. "Have you taken your keys? Do you have your phone? Drive safely. Call me when you reach." After these conversations show care and responsibility. They may be short, but they carry deep emotions. A simple "take care" can mean a lot. During the day phone conversations, even when family members are away from home, communication continues through phone calls or messages. "Did you reach safely? Have you had lunch? How is your day going?" These check-ins help maintain connection throughout the day. For example, a mother calling her child, "Did you eat your lunch?" A spouse texting, "Don't forget to buy groceries on your way back." These small interactions keep relationships strong even when people are physically apart. Evening conversations. Evening is the time when everyone returns home. This is when the most meaningful conversations often happen. After a long day, people want to relax and share their experiences. "How was your day?" "It was very busy. I learned something new today." "I had a tough day." This is the time for listening and understanding. Good communication at this time includes listening without interrupting, showing empathy, offering support. For example, "That sounds difficult. I'm proud of you. Tomorrow will be better." Even a few minutes of genuine conversation can reduce stress and strengthen bonds. Dinner time conversations. Dinner is another important opportunity for family communication. Ideally, everyone sits together, shares food, and talks. Topics may include highlights of the day, funny moments, problems or challenges, future plans. For example, "Today was really interesting. I made a mistake at work, but I learned from it. Let's plan a trip this weekend." Dinner conversations help families stay connected and involved in each other's lives. Casual conversations at night. After dinner, families may relax together by watching TV, chatting, or spending time together. Conversations during this time are usually light and enjoyable. "Let's watch a movie. That was a funny scene. Remember that old story?" This is also a great time for storytelling, especially with children. Parents can share life lessons, values, and experiences. Before sleeping conversations. Before going to bed, conversations become calm and peaceful. "Good night. See you tomorrow. Did you set the alarm? Sleep well." Some families also reflect on the day. What was the best part of your day? What did you learn today? Ending the day with positive conversation helps create emotional comfort and better relationships. Importance of daily conversations at home. Now let us understand why these daily conversations are so important. First, they build strong relationships. When people talk regularly, they understand each other better. Second, they reduce misunderstandings. Clear communication prevents confusion and conflict. Third, they provide emotional support. Sharing feelings helps reduce stress and anxiety. Fourth, they create a sense of belonging. Everyone feels valued and included. Common mistakes in home conversations. Sometimes, even at home, communication may not be effective. Common mistakes include not listening properly, using harsh words, ignoring others, spending too much time on mobile phones. For example, if someone is talking and the other person is busy on their phone, it can hurt feelings. Good communication requires attention and respect. Tips for better daily conversations. Here are some simple tips to improve communication at home. 1. Always listen carefully. 2. Speak politely and calmly. 3. Give time to each other. 4. Avoid distractions like mobile phones. 5. Express gratitude. 6. Share your thoughts openly. Even small changes can make a big difference. In conclusion, daily conversations at home may seem simple, but they play a very powerful role in our lives. From morning greetings to goodnight wishes, every small conversation builds love, trust, and understanding. Remember, it is not about talking more, but about talking with care, respect, and honesty. So, take a moment every day to connect with your family, listen to them, and share your thoughts. Because in the end, strong communication creates a happy home. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.